We're over upstairs, second floor attic, at the unit for the second floor, and on the return side, as you can see, we've got a leak down here that's sucking in attic air on both sides, which is limiting the efficiency of the machine and the capacity of the machine, also affecting and contributing to the moisture problems. Upstairs again in the attic, the HVAC system for the second floor, and you can see these line sets aren't sealed, which is sucking in attic air, which is limiting the capacity of the machine, also affecting the efficiency of the machine and contributing to moisture problems. Okay, we're upstairs again, up in the attic for the second floor HVAC system at the supply side, and you can see that these ducts are strapped, but there's no mastic on them, which is blowing out conditioned air up into the attic, which is creating negative pressure and also contributing to moisture drive problems. And we recommend that all this ductwork and all these collars be sealed with mastic. Okay, we're underneath the house now, under the subfloor, looking at the return air chase, and you can see it's not sealed here, and we've got the fan on, and it's just sucking smoke in through this return air chase from underneath the house, which is contributing to moisture problems. Over here underneath the house on the supply side for the first floor, and you can see that these corners were crimped, but they were never sealed with mastic, which is blowing conditioned air underneath the house. Also, around the ductwork, you can see there's no mastic, which is creating negative pressure, blowing conditioned air underneath the house.